You created a chart control and worked with its basic settings in the previous lesson. That's lesson 7.4. In this lesson, you will use some of the more advanced features of the chart control to make your chart more useful and attractive. To begin, open the Market Trader project from your Sample Files folder. And open marketcharts.aspx in Design View if it isn't open already. One of the major problems with this chart is that its y-axis starts at 0, making the differences in value very hard to see. You're going to fix this problem first. Select the chart control and find the Chart Areas property in the Properties window. Then click the Browse button next to Chart Areas. The Chart Area Collection Editor dialog appears. Now find the Axes property in the right-hand pane and click its Browse icon. The Axes Collection Editor dialog appears. This dialog contains the properties that control the formatting of your chart's axes. Select Y Value Axis in the left-hand pane. Now find the Scale group in the right-hand pane. Set the Is Started from 0 property to False. Then set the Minimum property to 10,400. Your chart's y-axis will now start at 10,400 instead of starting at 0. This will make the chart much more readable. Click OK twice now to close both dialogues. Now view marketcharts.aspx in your web browser and as you can see, the chart is now much more informative. Close your web browser now and return to Visual Studio. Next, you're going to add a second series to the chart to show the Nasdaq value next to the Dow Jones value. Select the Chart control, then find the Series property in the Properties window and click its Browse button. The Series Collection Editor dialog appears. This dialog allows you to customize the data series that are used by your chart. Click the Add button to add a new series. Now set the Chart Type property to Line, and in the Data Source category, set the X-Value Member property to Quote Date, and set the Y-Value Members property to Nasdaq Value. Then click OK, and view marketcharts.aspx in your web browser. Your chart now shows a comparison between the Dow Jones and Nasdaq values on a scale that is easier to read. You will have noticed that the chart control has many more properties, allowing you to create almost any chart that you can imagine. With the skills that you've learned in this lesson, you will be able to further explore the enormous number of features that are available in the chart control. Close your web browser now, and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 7.5, Customize the chart control.